Hey Margaret, this is your clock. The one with the damaged, with the one with the non-glass, the clear glass. If you notice that there's a couple pieces missing, don't affect the running of it. There should be a wheel kind of like this around these two posts here. They were taken off. I just want to show you the wear pattern here. Look at all that play right there. So if you want me to overhaul that, I can do that. Put new bushings in. You can see there's all sorts of play there. And then in this wheel, right there, if I can get my finger in there. It's this one right, oh no, it's this one right here. So you can see the spacing there. I can't get my finger in there quite. Very good. But that's it. So it looks like that'll need an overhaul. And it'll be like $200 like we talked about.